Hello students, today we are going to study class 5 science, and please turn back the pages of your textbook and come to page number 32. Okay, so enrichment. Edward Jenner invented a vaccine to prevent smallpox. So this person known as Edward Jenner, he created one of the vaccine. He finded out a vaccine, okay, to prevent the smallpox. All of you know smallpox? Some peoples are very sensitive to dust or certain food. So there are people which are sensitive to dust or certain kind of food. Okay, allergic to to dust and some kind of food, animals or smell. When exposed to these, they start sneezing or have rashes or itching. This is called allergy. So what is allergy? See, there are so many people that have allergy to something or other thing. For example, uh, let's just take example of me. Okay, I am allergic to mushroom. Whenever I eat mushroom, what happens? I have to vomit. Okay, it doesn't suits my body. It's indigestible for me. My body find it difficult to digest that very thing. It means my body is allergic to that very thing. Okay, so that's why it so some of the conditions are created that just tell me that it's not suiting my body. For example, some people have allergy to dust. Whenever they come in contact with the dust, the eyes will turn red, or the itching will start, or some small rashes will appear on their body. So it means they are allergic to dust. Okay, some are allergic to pollen grains. Okay, when the spring seasons, when it's very obvious in the atmosphere, pollen grains, the presence of pollen grain is very obvious. Then what happens? Whenever they come in contact with pollen grains, when the wind blows, for example, when the wind blows, it's carrying the pollen grains, and when it come in contact with that eye of that person, and what happens? The eyes totally turn red. Okay, so this is examples to say that some people's there are some things or other things that doesn't suits our body. It means we are allergic to that very thing. For me, I'm allergic to mushroom. It doesn't suits my body. Okay, germs of tetanus enter our body through cuts in the skins. So how the germs of tetanus enter our body? Through the cuts. Okay, whenever you are just get the cuts, okay, from an iron, rusted iron thing or any other things. So what's from glasses also. So it said no, have you taken the injections? Otherwise we are going to catch tetanus. So how is happening? When we got cuts on our skin, okay, then what happened? This germs of tetanus, they got the open place in our skin, and through that very open area, through that very injured area, they enter our body, and thus it said that it will enter the body and cause a disease called tetanus. The World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Okay, so there are some fixed date now on which that date we celebrate certain things. So on this 7th April we celebrate World Health Day. Okay, it marks the foundation of WHO and draws attention to important health issues affecting the world every year. So it is a foundation day of WHO. On this very date, the formation of WHO was done. Okay, and it's very important because WHO is looking after different health issues and helping the countries in dealing with that type of health disease. For example, in this time of corona, okay, so this corona has spread to maximum countries. So what is WHO doing? He just, whenever it came into his conscience, he just published the guidelines what you are supposed to do during this corona period. What are the symptoms of corona? How you can prevent yourself from corona? So these very things are being deal with the WHO. WHO help the different countries, help the member countries, okay, to fight against corona. It is giving them guidelines how to deal with the disease, how to fight against this disease. Okay, so that is the responsibility of World Health Organization, that means WHO. Antibiotics are substances that can kill diseases causing organisms. So what is antibiotics? Antibiotics is the medicine or medicine, you can say. It has the substances that help the kill the disease causing organisms. Okay, for example, if you're infected by viral fever, okay, you're given antibiotics. Why? So that antibiotics help you to fight against the germs of the causing viral fever. Okay, in the similar way, in malaria some antibiotics is given. Why the hell we are giving the antibiotics? We are giving it antibiotics, it means antibiotics means against the biotic thing, and biotic means any living things. When your body is facing certain problems, that means some viruses or germs has infected you. Okay, so that's why it's creating problem. Okay, so this antibiotic is given in that very time to kill that living organism present in your body that is creating problem for you. That why it is said as antibiotics. Anti means against, biotics means living thing, again any living germs inside your body. Antibiotics means the medicines or the biotic, the medicine that is used to kill the biotic living thing inside your body. Okay, clear? Now time to recall. So here you can see time to recall, children, in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is your fill in the blanks and this is your supposed to do, this is your homework. Okay, page number 32, time to recall, this is your homework. Okay, and the second homework is again here you can see in a page 33, time to summarize. You have to learn these very things and you have to submit these homeworks. Okay, learn this thing and fill in the blanks on Friday. Okay, on this coming Friday, till this coming Friday you have to complete this work. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, children.